In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Wix website. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access all of your site's editing tools. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where Wix keeps many of the main features you can add to your site, including apps and extra tools that help expand your website's functionality. From that left side menu, click on Add Apps. This will open the Wix App Market, where you can search for features to install directly onto your website. When the app section opens, go to the search bar and type in Calendar. As you type, Wix will show matching results. Find the calendar option you want to use, and then click Add to Site. At this point, Wix may show you a prompt asking you to agree before continuing. Go ahead and click Agree. Then give it a few seconds to finish adding the calendar to your site. The app may take a brief moment to load, so just wait until it appears in the editor. Once the calendar has been added, click directly on the calendar element on your page. This will bring up the editing options specifically for that calendar. From there, click Settings. This is where you can control how the calendar appears and how visitors will view it on your website. Inside the settings, look for the Layout section. Here, you can change the calendar view depending on the type of experience you want to offer. You may be able to switch between yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily views. A yearly layout can be useful if you want a broad overview, while monthly, weekly, or daily layouts can be better if your visitors need more detailed scheduling information. Choose the one that fits your website best. After that, select Design. This is where you can customize the look of the calendar so it matches the style of your website. You can change things like styles and colors. And it's a good idea to explore the different sections available here so you can personalize the calendar to fit your branding and overall site design. Take a little time with this part because even small design changes can make the calendar look more polished and easier to use. Once you've finished adjusting the layout and design, your calendar will be ready to fit seamlessly into your Wix website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.